Hey everyone, it's me Cedrina and welcome back to my channel. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I am at Dollar Tree and I'm going to be looking for all of the self-care dupes that they've released. Actually, they have a lot of them that I'm super excited to look for. I'm just hoping we can actually find all of them this time. You guys have been loving these videos, so let me know if you want more by liking and commenting down below. First up, just look at this by Global Beauty Care. You can't tell me this doesn't already look just like Bubble, or at least very similar. They have a whole line. They have the daily face wash, toner mist, and daily face lotion. Is this the actual pump, I wonder? Is this similar to the moisturizer from Bubble? Oh, this is a gel facial lotion. I really want to open it and see, but I'm gonna be respectful and not open their products, especially because last time I tried to scent test things, I got in trouble for it because I guess you can't scent test at Dollar Tree anymore. Kind of crazy. They're actually very stocked up on these. They even have more down here. It seems that the lotion is selling out the most out of everything. But yeah, we love to see this. If you want to get your skincare at a reduced price, Dollar Tree is where you should go. Even though a lot of people are very skeptical about the products here, but I've tried out some skincare products and I was just fine. It really just depends on what kind of skin you have. Global Beauty also has some daily cleansing wipes. We have different kinds here. I'll go through them. This orange pack is just the purifying daily cleansing wipes. I think these are just regular everyday. And then the purple one, I think this is for nighttime, yeah. Calming nighttime cleansing wipes. This one has lavender, melatonin, and aloe. So does it help you go to sleep? Probably because of the melatonin. And then this one is like a glycolic acid cleansing cloths. Okay, wait, what does this have actually? Okay, and then this very much skincare one has glycolic acid, helps remove buildup on skin surface for smoother, brighter looking skin. 25. Oh wait, no, all of them come with 25. Why does this feel lighter? Wait, we have more of the calming night products here. We have nighttime eye cream, facial cleanser, and a facial serum. Then over here we have smooth and lift collagen facial cleanser. They have collagen facial serum. Down here, the green is for blemish control, oil-free clarifying cleanser. Oh, blemish and dark spot treatment. Cute. And then they have a little blemish control oil-free soothing moisturizer. I feel like this might be a dupe for something, but if not, then it's just its own thing and it's really cute. Pretty stocked up too. I didn't see this one, but this is the collagen cleansing cloth. There's a bunch of other mini facial products here, like this glowing exfoliating toner. This is also by Global Beauty Care with niacinamide, peptides, and vitamin C. What is this? Another glowing toner? Cloudberry. Exfoliate plus brighten skin with vitamins A, C, and E. There's just so many toning solutions here. What's the difference between these? Oh, glycolic acid, witch hazel, rose water. This one has aloe vera, vitamin E, lactobionic acid. Oh, that's different. Haven't heard of that one. Okay, you're gonna try them out. Well, let me know if you like them. Okay. Global Beauty Care is doing their thing. Neck and chest cream with retinols, ceramides, and vitamin E. Smooth and lift, smooth and lift. I think I might have showed this to you guys last time, but Ione has some liquid blushes here in warm rose, soft pink. Actually, is that it? Oh, I was about to say, and rosette. There might be other shades that I just don't see yet, but so far that's it. Be Pure Edge Wax. They have different scents here. Watermelon, coconut, shea butter.
Because I opened it.
You're gonna try it?
Yeah, it smells good.
This is pretty cool. I don't think this is a dupe for anything, but Be Pure has these 4-in-1 stackable lipsticks. So if you like to have multiple different shades all in one, I guess here's a new product. I've never seen anything like this. I think this is so fun. They have 2 different shade ranges here. I don't know, which one would I like more? Maybe this one on the left, but that's so cute. I feel like I've seen this before, but the hydrating primer serum infused with rose oil by Be Pure. Let me know what you think this is a dupe for. I want to say Glow Recipe, but then again, this could literally be anything. And then also, I don't know, I just found this randomly. LA Colors Juicy Cakes. It's like a mini lip gloss and lip liner duo. So cute. Even they're getting into this brown lip liner. It's a trend at this point. Everyone wants to hop onto it. Okay, but there's so many other products. This is a different Dollar Tree that I'm at because I couldn't find anything else at the other one, but check out these little lip balm sets. I heard this could be like an alternative for the EOS lip sets. Maybe. I don't know. Fresh lime, sweet grapefruit, and lemon sorbet. This is the same thing but in the lip balm sticks. And a lip oil set. They literally have a lippy in every kind of form. Beauty Intuition. Be Pure has a new retinol and collagen serum under eye roller. These are super cute. Is it me or like every brand has an under eye roller now? Is it a trend? Be Pure has more in their feminine care collection. Feminine wash, wipes, and menstrual heat patches. Odorless, helps relieve cramps and adheres to clothes. Wait, that's cool. But yeah, basically this line is a dupe for Honey Pot feminine care products. I feel like there's another product here that I don't see yet, but we'll keep looking. Look at all the dupes. I'm not sure what this is. This might be duping something, I'm not sure. But Snail Mucin Skincare, hydrating, brightening, and replenishing. What is this for actually? Snail Mucin Essence, hydrating, brightening, and replenishing serum. Ooh, I like the packaging. It's very cute. There's also a moisturizer, hydrating, brightening, replenishing. Should I get this moisturizer? I kind of want a new one. Something thin for every day. Does this not look like the La Roche-Posay facial cleanser? It kind of does. I don't know. But it says compared to Neutrogena Hydro Boost. So that's what it's actually duping. But to me, it also looks like La Roche-Posay. These products on here look familiar. I don't know why. Does this make you guys think of anything? Antibacterial hand wipes. Comes in a tube and a little pack like this. I'm actually surprised I found this here. I kind of forgot to look for it, but it caught my eye. The Personal Care Coconut Body Oil. I believe they also have a tanning oil here that's supposed to be an alternative for the Banana Boat tanning body oil. And then look at this, compared to Clean and Clear Morning Burst. I used to use that all the time. Personal Care is just duping Shea Moisture and its whole brand at this point. Not the foot cream. I see the brand Modest. Everybody's been talking about the Modest disposable face towels, but all I see here are the feminine wipes. So I don't know where to find the dry disposable face towels, but I feel like it'd be somewhere here. Help, I looked over at this and this already looks like The Ordinary, but let's actually look into it. This is also Global Beauty Care. They are coming for everyone. Power moisturizer with retinol, antioxidants, and glycerin. 5 benefits in one. It hydrates, smooths, brightens, firms, and restores the barrier, your skin barrier. Okay, what else do we have? Okay, now we have a power toner with AHA, BHA, tea tree, and niacinamide. The benefits are that it energizes, balances, and resurfaces the skin. What about these two products? And also guys, if you know what this is actually duping, let me know. I just said The Ordinary off the bat, but it could be something else. Oh, it's a face wash and clay mask. Interesting. Well, we've got this Modest Basics disposable washcloth. So this is the closest thing, but I believe the product I'm looking for is in a box. I don't know where it would be. Also, are these soaked or are they dry? I feel like this has a little liquidy product in them. And what are these cloths even for? I don't see a description really. Yeah, there's more here. Vitamin C. I don't think I saw this one. These are cute. I like the colors they use for this. But there's still so much more that I'm not seeing here. Like, where's the Prolux makeup? Where? At least they're stocked up on everything else. This is interesting. A duo lip gloss. We have like a peachy red color and blue. It comes with a mirror. I've never seen a lip gloss that has an attached mirror on it. That's actually innovative. We've definitely seen the Be Pure lip jellies here, but these look like new shades. We have Orchid and Carnation. Orchid is so pretty. Which one would you guys rather get? At this point, I'm finding every Modest product but the disposable towels. We've got the ultra thin pads. These actually look nice. You get 8 in a pack. But where are these disposable towels, guys? Help. Guys, this is the 4th Dollar Tree we've been to, and it's just not getting better. Everything looks the same. The only thing new that I found here is LA Colors has this matte beauty wand blush, matte blush, and then a shimmer highlighter. These are cute, but they're so tiny, I feel. Then again, that's most of the products here. How about this? Summer Vibes Trendy Beauty. Getting ready for summer. I feel like this is a eyeshadow palette.
It doesn't say.
It doesn't say, but it looks like one. It is! Wait, that's actually surprising.
That is pretty.
This definitely gives like summer vacation.
They have bright colors.
You never see eyeshadow palettes this big here at Dollar Tree. So that's surprising. And it's $125 too. I haven't seen this before, anti-wrinkle cream. And you actually get a lot in this container. Yes, Aveeno lotion dupe, oatmeal daily moisturizing body lotion. I remember showing this to you guys like a couple years ago. Last year, a couple years ago, something. These look like the Vaseline lotions. Nouvelle cocoa butter, dry skin lotion. Well guys, we tried. They just don't really have anything here. But I did really try looking for everything. There's no Prolux Beauty. I asked, they said it was sold out, so they don't have it here. There were a bunch of other products I was looking for too though. A freckle pen for fake, oh my gosh, I can't even speak. There's even a freckle pen to make fake freckles. Why is this a tongue twister? And there was also supposed to be a milk jelly tint dupe. And it's not here. That's so sad. But I tried, guys. I tried. But anyways, thanks for watching. Please make sure to give this video a like, comment down below, subscribe down below, share this video, hit that notification bell, and do not forget to check out my Instagram and my TikTok, both at Peachy Queen Official. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Let me know what else I should look for and if I should come back to Dollar Tree. Love y'all. Bye.